what the United States has been doing is to set up a set of manufacturing innovation institutes as a part of investing in manufacturing renaissance. And this is set up as a public private partnership. So, the federal government is investing some money into it, but it is also matched by the private sector and the universities and so on to create such institutes. So far we have created about 4 of them and more are on the way. So, overall the President would like to set up about 45 such institutes. So, together the expectation is that they will form a network for manufacturing innovation throughout the country.
Okay, do you already have some results, or what are the goals, real goals?
Right. We do not have too many of the results yet because we have just started setting them up. The first such institute was on additive manufacturing or 3D printing as it is known. That was set up about 3 years ago, but there are also some additional institutes are being set up. So, we recently set up an institute for high power electronics and on digital manufacturing and design innovation. We also set up an institute for lightweight metals and advanced materials. We have also selected a consortium for composites manufacturing. So, there are several such areas in which we are setting up these innovation institutes. With the time, the expectation is that they will be producing very attractive results to the participating companies. So, that will be the real test when the companies who are participating in it by investing their money see the benefit out of this. And we are also expecting these institutes to be helping small and medium sized companies. So, these will form the supply base, which will then provide multiple companies, not just one company, and also preferably multiple industries. So, not just one industry such as automotive and so on, but to multiple industries. That will give a very good business case for the small and medium sized companies to survive and thrive. In addition, these institutes will also be educating new people in the workforce as well as retraining some of the existing people in the workforce. So, all these multiple objectives are expected out of this innovation institutes, in addition to providing the very important missing middle in manufacturing. That is, how do you carry innovative ideas from the laboratory to competitive products? This is usually known as the technology readiness level 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is where you perfect the manufacturing processes. You learn how to control these manufacturing processes, control the variations in those processes, and you scale up so that you can reduce the unit cost of such products. So, that is what we are expecting out of these institutes. As I said, we have just started setting them up. So, with the time we will find out how they are performing. In addition, these are all individual institutes which are nodes in a network. Pretty soon we expect that they will also be interacting with each other in a networked manner. That will also give us some more benefit with the networking effect that comes out of such institutes.
Here in Tampere now, in Manufacturing Performance Days, Industry 4.0 is a big issue. How do you compare US at the moment with Europe in this issue?
Right. 4.0 is a very important initiative, and I see a lot of parallel between what initially the German industry initiated, Industry 4.0, but also now adopted by many people in the Europe, and what is going on in the United States in terms of advanced manufacturing, digital manufacturing, smart manufacturing, and also cyber physical systems. So, there is a lot of similarities between these two types of initiatives. Ultimately, all of them are trying to see how the revolution that is brought up by the information systems, the Internet of Things as well as the information technologies and so on, how together they can influence the manufacturing industry. Already it is influencing the manufacturing industry in a big way, but what people are trying to do is to think ahead how the digitization of the manufacturing is going to be changing not only the manufacturing processes, but also the products that we are producing using these processes. So, there is a lot of similarity between the Industry 4.0 and what we have been doing in the United States. I think there is considerable convergence of this idea.